Experiencing issues with your Verizon Fios TV box like freezing, signal loss, or glitches? You can often fix these problems yourself using your Fios remote. No tech visit needed. There are two main methods, a quick hard reboot and a power cycle. For a hard reboot, hold the OK or Select button on your Fios remote for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces a restart, clearing temporary memory and resolving many common issues. If that doesn't work, power cycle the box. Press the power button, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. These simple steps address about 80% of common problems. This method is similar to soft rebooting a computer and is safe to perform without worry. If a hard reboot doesn't solve your problem, try resetting through the menu. Press the menu or guide button on your remote. Navigate to settings or options on some models, then system, and finally, restart or reboot. Confirm the action. Voice remote users can even say restart TV box for a hands-free reset. Remember, these remote resets only affect the TV box, not your router. If you're still having problems after these steps, consider rebooting your router or contacting Verizon support for further assistance.